How to send one-time view pictures on Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you were signed in. And now tap on the individual's name whom you want to send one-time view picture. Now tap on the arrow icon and then tap on the camera icon, and with this the camera will be opened. So go ahead and take a picture that you want to send as one-time view picture and then select the off option on the bottom of your screen. Now, tap on the OK button and finally tap on the Send button, and with this, the picture will be sent as one-time view picture. So this is how you can send one-time view pictures on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.